Hi there, I'm Russ Horn, and today I'd like to show you a little trick with your Fibonacci levels. We're going to add the price to those levels themselves. Now, a lot of traders like to use their Fibonacci levels, and you can use them for all kinds of reasons. You can use them for retracement reasons, for entry reasons, for target reasons. But when it comes down to it, everybody would like to have a price associated with these levels. Now, you can use your crosshair, you kind of figure out a price this way, but it's more accurate if you have the levels with the price on them themselves. So what I'm going to do is double click on this Fibonacci line. We will have a red dotted line. Double click on that to select the Fibonacci level, and you'll notice it's selected because the little nodes will appear. Right click on that line as well, and now I'm going to click on Fibo properties, and up comes a properties box window. Now under the Fibo Levels tab, we have a description. Now what we've got in the description is 0, 38.2, 50, and so on, and that's what's written on the lines at the very end here, on the outside at the very right of the chart. Now what I'm going to do is add to that. I'm going to add a little bit of code that is going to bring up the price to those levels. And that code is very, very simple. It is $$. It's the percent sign and the dollar sign. So if I double click and then add $$, and then I hit OK, we can see at the 50 level, we have the price added to it. Now, I don't like to have it the way that I've got it here, so I'm going to add some brackets around it. So if I add a bracket, it kind of separates the price from the level itself. And from here, I'm just going to copy and paste into the other levels. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Now I've got the $$ added to each of the different levels. Now the brackets are going to print, but it's the $$ that is going to be converted into the price. So if I hit OK, now I can see the level, and I've got the bracket with the price inside the bracket. So if I am doing whatever it is that I'm doing with my Fibonacci levels here, I know exactly what the price each level is at. This has really been helpful to me in the past, and I hope this helps you.